Coming to you. This is Kendall. Real excited about what's about to take place. Actually, 9 days from my next competition. IFBB North America is real excited because this is an opportunity for me to get my pro card. I want to thank all the supporters, everyone who's actually donated to help me in my quest to do this for my dad, who I lost a little over 5-6 weeks ago. It's bittersweet, I'm doing this for him. I know he's proud of me, but I'm definitely driven. I'm motivated to get this done. I want to thank my girl Kiki, who's actually working on my website, GymRulesTV.com, which will be coming to you real soon. And actually, this video will be one of the first videos posted on that page. So excited about that. We got Vegas coming up, the Olympia this year in Vegas. Once again, I'll be working with my Fit Foods family, my Mutant brothers. So real excited about the videos we'll be showing you from the Olympia, from Vegas. Just a lot of good things taking place from here to the end of the year. Gym Rules TV, bringing it to you inside the gym and outside the gym.